I was always a little disturbed with the world and what was going on, and I was always searching for remedies and how do I make this a better place. And then I came upon permaculture, and it was the first time I saw something that had solutions and that was positive.
When I started taking this class, I thought I was going to learn about some new technique or some new skill, but I was really surprised to find out that this is ancient technology that's been forgotten and is now being reclaimed. And I was kind of thrilled to reconnect with my roots with what everyone's roots are.
Permaculture looks at the natural world and realizes that it's already working amazingly, that we don't need to intervene and try and do it differently. You know, permaculture recognizes that the natural world is designed so well that it gives us all these opportunities to harmonize with it, to follow the flows of energy and to work with nature rather than against it.
I think permaculture has changed my life in a way that I have so many things I want to do now. So now it's like I have this huge to-do list now after this class, because there's so many things I want to incorporate into my life for sure. So I think I'm definitely going to be using permaculture a lot moving forward, because now I kind of have a grasp on how to get started.
You don't have to change what exists in order to create something new. You start creating it,
right,
with all those factors, with all those influences. There's nothing to stop you from.
Yeah, it's really not one thing or the other, is it? I mean, there's room within the whole philosophy for a bunch of different variations of possibilities. From living into a skyscraper, to being in a homestead, to the urban environment or the suburban environment. It's really not one or the other. There's room for all. There's such a variety of possibilities, and that's what's so promising about the philosophy of permaculture.
I think we're hardwired to care, and that maybe is deprogrammed in some of the mainstream education, but permaculture really unlocks that innate tendency to care about each other and to care about the world. And not only that, but it gives us a way to do that, a set of strategies and techniques and technologies that we can put into place so we can actually contribute something meaningful to the world around us.
The promise of simple solutions is what I found here, and probably the simplest solution was just in connecting with the people in the class and seeing that everyone has a talent and everyone has a gift to share. And I always thought that permaculture was having to learn everything, every single skill involved. And in coming here, I realized that it's about connecting with others and then, you know, accomplishing tasks together, everyone expressing their gift, and then bringing that into my own life, trying to discover what my gifts are and how I can add to the community.